In this video, we will talk about how to fix 2026-02 preview update KB5077241 not installing in Windows 11. Method 1. Update services. Click in Search, type Services, select Run as Administrator. Search for Windows Update, Background, Intelligent Transfer Service, and App Readiness. Right-click on Windows Update Services. Select Properties. Set the startup type to automatic. If it's not running, click on Start. Then click on Apply and OK. Follow the same for other two services and check if it works. Method 2. Install update manually. Click on Start. Open Settings. On the left side, click on System. Scroll down, select About. Here you can see System Type, System Edition, and Windows version. Once you know these information, open any browser. Type Microsoft Update Catalog and press Enter. Open the website. In Search, type Windows version. Click on Search. As we are using 25H2 and 64-bit version, we have to download this one. Click on this link. After downloading, open the file and install it on your PC. After installing, click on Start and restart your PC. Method 3. Reinstall Windows 11. If nothing works for you, you can simply reinstall Windows 11. I have mentioned video link in the description. Hopefully, this will fix your issue. See you in the next video.